Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to take a first look on the Asus RX 6500 XT dual version. Let's take a look at the graphics card. I'm just going to open the box. We have actually nothing else in the box, so only graphics card. So here we are looking at the graphics card from Asus. Well, I actually believe at first look that this is the same cooler as the one we're using on the 6000 XT. So there should be plenty of cooling. Let's take a look. It's a minimum heatsink with 3 heat pipes, one 6.0 power connector, dual fans, I believe is 90mm fans, not quite sure. And there should be a little bit of RGB as well. I think it will be in the top right here, at least what I saw on the pictures. So, and we have a backplate. It's made of aluminium, so that's quite nice as well. PCI Express Gen 4. What about the display out? Okay, on display out we only have two. We have an HDMI and DisplayPort. So that means if you're running more than 2 displays, this might not be the card for you. But this is an entry gamer budget graphics card in my mind. It only has 4 gigs of VRAM, so it's 1080p gaming, nothing more. But I will be building a gaming PC around this graphics card to my nephew. So he only gonna be running like really small games, Fortnite, Roblox and stuff like that. So there should be plenty of power, and it was quite cheap actually. But I'm making a whole other video about building a gaming computer for my nephew, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and like, and see you in the next video.